Hello and welcome to this video where we will cover features in brief on the software Ruwaq Design. So Ruwaq Design is a complete suite of AEC, MEP, urban planning. You have also for tender management and project management. So everything we are covering here in one software. And let me go to this demo real quick. Let me sign in. And when you sign in for the first time, you'll have this window of different personas you can create, and the tools will be available accordingly, right? So let me show you how does the onboarding screen look like. This is what it looks like. So I can choose my role as an urban planner, maybe real estate, property marketing. Maybe I'm an architect too. And when you click on launch my workspace, you will have the customized set of tools that Ruwaq Design has chosen for you. And you have other tools too, which includes the rest of the things that the software didn't choose for you, but you can use that anyway from the other tools folder. So let me go through one by one and let me tell you what each of these tools are. So CodeSnap AI is and scanner, you can say in one sentence. It scans through your design files and check for any jurisdictions, issues, compliance issues, and everything, and raises flag. This is CodeSnap AI. Then the 3D modeler, it actually takes your floor plan image and converts it into a real 3D model, and you can then navigate through the model. You can save the model and 3D as 3D object and so on. And then we have a CAD generator. You can put in structured inputs, like for every room you can have it, and this CAD generator creates a CAD file for you. Then CAD 3D furnishing. This is for inserting 3D objects in your model, 3D model, room model, or space models. So this is for remodeling. So maybe you have an image of any furniture, you can convert it into 3D and place that into your 3D space. This is CAD 3D furnishing. Then we have Urban Planning Studio. This is for creating simulations in urban space. You can have people, roads, traffics, weather, so on, and then generate the data set, simulated data set that you can later use for your optimization AI algorithm. And then we have document intelligence. This is for checking your planning documents again on the jurisdictions of different countries. Currently, we have Egypt, we have IPC, IBC, IPC and IBC codes, and we'll be integrating more US codes later on. So this, and what it does is if it sees any discrepancies in your documents according to these laws and regulations, it highlights that line, and it's easy for you to fix, and it gives you a document file that you can later edit. So for quick compliance checks against the huge chunks of laws and regulations. That is document intelligence. And for real estate, we have some beta features. VR set, here you can add a VR set and navigate through the 3D models and so on. And on the video walkthrough, this is for creating a video render of your 3D models. You can set up the cameras, path A to path B, and it will follow your path. The camera will follow your path and record the whole 3D space for you in 10 seconds. And it will follow your text prompts and render it real quick. On the sketch to render, this is actually for converting your sketches into real photorealistic renders. So you can upload your image here, which is a sketch. It could be a room, it could be a building, and it will follow your text prompts and it will render. On the Mood Board Studio, we have AI extractor that extracts different pieces of components in the image and gives you the mood board, and you can later edit in Canva. We have Canva integration with it, so Mood Board Studio is really useful if you don't want to just crop and cut the image files. You can just give it to Mood Board Studio and it will do it for you. Then we have Empathy Engine. Empathy Engine is a tool that analyzes a mood of a person. It takes the text input, audio input, like the call recordings or voice of a person, and it also takes visual references from the person. Or in that case, in your case, you might have a client. She probably has given you some text documents brief. Maybe you have for call recordings. Maybe you have for visual briefs. Everything you put it here, and this tool will analyze that person's preferences on different aspects. Like, we currently have the Big 5 mood profile analysis, and that analysis can help you later focus on the directions you may want to take for that particular project. So this is in one line to understand a person better. In your case, it could be a client, and then work accordingly. So that you don't waste much time on delivering wrong stuffs. Later we have Vanish and Replace. This is for quick edits on your images. Maybe you have a room image, you want to erase something with AI or replace something with AI, you can just paint on that particular object and you can do so. Then we have Design Copilot. This is quick remodeling in the 2D image space. You can upload your room where you want to have certain furnitures in certain space. You can draw, like, you don't have to be super smooth, but you can draw maybe a piece of table, for example, and then you ask the AI to replace that drawing with whatever furniture or whatever the design is. Like, AI will replace that drawing that you draw with a real piece of furniture and equipment. Then we have Design Critic. This is another critical analyzer. You upload your image of the plan, room, etc., and it will critically analyze stuffs and give you bullet points that you can improve in the design. We have Tier Sheet Search. Designers work with tier sheets they get from vendors. Sometimes it becomes difficult to find the right tier sheet that you want to find from hundreds of records, maybe thousands. In that case, you can upload all of your tier sheets here, and then you can search in natural language what tier sheet, what you're looking for, basically. So the AI will give you the things you want, and there are 5 different methods, there are 5 different searching algorithms we have introduced, so you can use all of them, right? Then we have Pulse CRM. This is a complete CRM software, and here you can generate leads, client, then it can be converted into clients. You can add projects, you can upload your design files, and then send those design files to your clients. The clients can approve. You know everything. Like, you can generate invoices and can add vendor records with compliance checks and so on. So this is Pulse. And yeah, this is our CRM software. So you can have different visualizations. Here you can, if you don't want to see anything, you can just click on the cross sign. You can get rid of that visual from your dashboard. Then we have what we have next. We have MEP Studio. So this is for professionals who are working in mechanical engineering and plumbing side. You can draw your layout of the mechanical, plumbing, or engineering layouts, and you can simulate the flows, electrical, like all of the three things like mechanicals, electricals, and plumbing. Then you can simulate and see whether there is an issue with in the design or not. So this is a digital twin like we have in our own planning too, but this is for MEP. And then finally we have tender management software. So this is like this is for tender management. You can, for example, let's click on one. You can upload your RFP. You can add your ideas on the RFP or any thoughts on the RFP and all that, and it will capture the necessary information that is highly required, and that should be noticed from the RFP, so you don't have to go through all the RFP step by step. Then it gives you the requirements. The requirements like what are the letter of invitation, what are the critical things, high priority, medium priority, all of these things. It will cover. It will show you what are the things that is required from that RFP, right? And then what you can do, you can then extract the steps from the RFP, right? Team, and you can have your team too. So smart team matching, who can be assigned with this project. You can extract the entities. You can have your relevant past project if you have a record on that, and proposal draft. So you can also have a general proposal outline and so on. Then you can create a proposal. Either you can write or upload your own, or you can generate something with AI, right? Then the proposal can be, analyzed whether it matches how much it matches with the real RFP, which is covered, what is not, what is covered, what is not, and missing requirements. If so, if your proposal is correctly aligned, you will show a green tick here. It will show a green tick here, and it will give you the details of all things covered, not partially covered, and not covered at all, also covered everything. Yeah, this is also a document intelligence here with AI that is doing that. Then the other compliance issues and checks, uh, these things are also shown here. What are the compliance issues you may face? So these are the tools basically. We are currently developing we have things in mind that we want to develop in the future. We'll see that in the later versions. Yeah, and one last thing, that you can get bonus credits every day. It will depend on the tier. Currently I have Pro here, so Pro customers get minimum 1 to maximum 3 credits every day. So I have already claimed my credits here. I got 2 credits today, so yeah, it was 63, now it's 65 credits. So every day there are credits available on your tier dashboard. So yeah, that's it about Ruwaq Design. So yeah, if you have any questions, please comment on this video and we'll be happy to answer that question. And yeah, try this software for 7 days. There are 7 days free trial for users, and for businesses we're giving 90 days free trial on the team support. So yeah, I'll invite you to try this software. Let us know how you like it, and hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much.